Back with another video, and today we're gonna try to do a cluster decal install on this. I'm trying to put the HKS one on. So this is pretty simple. You should all know by now how to take off the clusters, like 3 bolts and 2 plugs in the back. And then from here, you just remove these 2 clips from here, and it just pops off. The easiest way I would say is to remove the bottom ones first, and don't forget about the screw. This is the screw that's holding this thing up here, back here. Once you pop the bottom off, you'll start popping the little tiny ones up here on the side, and from there it should just slide off pretty easy. Okay, so in this part you just want to take the spring and put it behind this thing right here. And you want to take a picture of it before taking it out, just to be sure you know where exactly is located at. And from there, you just pop it off with like a fork or something. Oh, I moved it a bit. You just pop it off like with a fork or something. This step is pretty simple. It's just putting just the decal in its place, you know, just like I did now. It's pretty nice. Now all you gotta do is do the outer portion right here, and from there just put it on and repeat the first steps again, and you should be done with it. It fits my interior now. It's pretty nice. Bro, the weather in Miami be so bipolar. It was just sunny a few minutes ago. So we got a lot of stuff coming up for this week. We got the meet by Clean Alliance, which is my group I'm part of now. As you can see, I'm gonna get a point of view from the outside in a bit. And I got a trip on Saturday to a wedding, which is gonna be the first trip I'm gonna take in my Is300, in which I got a new arm for the front. I got new rear tow arms, so I haven't mentioned yet. And I just got the car aligned yesterday. Did an oil change, did everything, so hopefully we all good for Saturday. And yeah, I got some few stuff coming up to upload for content. I'm trying to get some cars, you know, to do another build series. Trying to get one of my other cars from my boy Arduino. Gotta get him a car reveal soon. And yeah, that's what we got coming up for the channel now. So thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like, and comment. See you next time.
Green.